this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add mortgage interest on TurboTax. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to turbotaxonline.com and then log into your account. Now from here it should be looking something like this. And now from here you'll be able to go over to the left hand corner and go down to deduction and credits. Now from here, if it doesn't automatically go out but gives this right here, you'll just need to choose the first one right here and then go back. From here it should be looking something like this, and here you can see all of your current tax breaks. From here you'll simply need to scroll down until you see your home down here, where you can see deduction for mortgage interest and property taxes. From here you'll just pull this out, and from here you'll be able to see the first one, mortgage interest and refinancing, also known as the form 1098. From here you can either start or edit it by clicking here, and then from here it should look something like this, where you can pay your home loans and you'll just say yes or no whether or not you have a loan. From here you'll simply need to click yes, and as you can see over here you can also connect to your financial accounts directly from your financial account to TurboTax. From here you'll simply need to click continue, and from here you'll need to find your specific lender that you can either search for up here or click and choose more down here and select it manually. If you don't see your lender down here, you can always go to change how I enter my form, and then you can either bring it over from my bank, you can upload it directly from your computer, or snap a photo directly from your phone. You can also down here type it myself or manually, and if you click that, it should look something like this, where you can enter in the lender's name. From here you'll simply need to click continue, and then you'll need to add how much of the mortgage is and how much you're paying every month for your mortgage, and just fill out these details like you usually would, and from here you will have successfully added your mortgage interest onto TurboTax. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!